Antalya, a jewel on Turkey's southwestern coast, boasts a rich tapestry of history that dates back to ancient times. Founded as Attaleia in 150 BC by the king of Pergamon, it became a vital port city for trade and culture. The Romans, Byzantines, and Ottomans all left their mark here, evident in the stunning architecture of Hadrian's Gate and the ancient theater of Aspendos. As you wander through the old town, Kaleiçi, you can almost hear the whispers of the past in its narrow, cobblestone streets. The region's strategic location made it a melting pot of civilizations, where Greek, Roman, and Turkish influences blend seamlessly. Today, Antalya is not just a gateway to the Mediterranean, it's a vibrant reminder of the layers of history that shaped it, inviting you to explore its ancient ruins and bask in its timeless beauty.